Look at her face. She's going to the water table instead. Emily!
You're supposed to play in the rain.
I thought you'd like to play in the rain coming off the roof. That's not really what I had in mind.
The water splashing.
Emily, I kind of thought you would just put your hand in the roof water.
Shoes are good.
Look at her face all squinched up.
It's gotta be cold.
Is it cold?
It's like somebody's spraying her down with a hose.
Emily! Emily! Come on, why don't you come inside now, honey? Emily.
Emily.
Emily, Mommy's talking to you. I know you hear me.
Ems.
Come on. Okay, go get her.
She's kicking.
You know what comes next.
Alright, dude.
Come here.